Hello friends, good morning to everyone who is watching this video today. My name is Francis Kunde. If you could remember, the last time I posted an image, a photo on my Facebook post, that I have created something called inverter, power inverter. Many people call me to ask me how it works. Today I decided to put it in a video, display to you how it really works. So I would like to start by powering this device here using a 12 volt car battery to power my TV, my light bulb, my fan, and a radio to show you how it works. So let's get started. Now, this is the device. I'm going to put power to it, to the battery. Yes, you could hear the click of the relay. Then put on the light. It started. Then I put on my TV, plug on my TV. Yeah, you can see the lights. You can see the lights. Now let me turn on the TV. Just give me a moment. Wow, the TV is now on. Let me put the volume to it.
Such people are an asset,
All right.
not only to the company but to relationships too.
At the same time, I would like to turn on the second
Mr. Kapoor is truly lucky.
TV.
He has a friend like Vikram in his life.
Sorry for my video.
Even we are lucky fatties in our
It's
life.
like,
You know, from now on, your official married life as Mrs. Kapoor begins hereafter. But I'm sure tonight's dinner will be very memorable.
the second TV too is on,
Let's see.
as you can see. That one to the volume. Yeah. This TV produces 100 watts, while this is producing 60 watts. I'm going to put on the radio.
What is happening is not proper. If this is not stopped, Lord knows where this will end. Look, Vikram, you know only too well just how important my family is to me. If you prove to be wrong, Vikram,
I have to win our three matches. All the WhatsApp groups, we have almost about 21 WhatsApp groups for Asante Kotoko. Next time we say discussion, employer say, point Ben, the first one.
My
Communicating well, only we go 2 hours to meet. Sometimes they try me. Because me quite important. And you know, come and go for one. Me and come and go for no market. Say thank you. You enter. Check number enter. And I was not tired of to the door. My cat. Now say me the actual. We want to have voice note. I said the whole thing. Let me use Uncle go to. Big bro.
Let me try with the fan.
I don't know where the way for.
The fan too is working. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.